Manchester United have once again made a huge decision that has sent shockwaves through world football. The club has officially sacked its head coach, bringing an abrupt end to a turbulent spell that never quite lived up to expectations. What started with optimism and belief slowly turned into frustration, confusion, and internal tension behind the scenes at Old Trafford. The manager arrived with a strong reputation and a clear philosophy. Fans were hopeful that this would finally be the appointment to steady the ship and restore United to the elite level they once dominated. Early signs showed promise, including improved structure and a clear tactical identity. However, as the months went on, results became inconsistent. United struggled to find rhythm in the league, dropping points in matches they were expected to control. Big performances were followed by disappointing setbacks, leaving fans and pundits questioning whether the project was moving forward or standing still. Pressure intensified as questions began to surface about recruitment, player roles, and communication between the coaching staff and club leadership. Reports of disagreement behind the scenes only added fuel to the fire, creating an atmosphere of uncertainty around the team. The breaking point came after a disappointing draw in a high-profile match where United once again failed to close out the game. In the press conference that followed, the manager delivered what many now see as a farewell speech. He spoke openly and emotionally about his role at the club, stating that he came to Manchester United to lead and build, not just to coach on the training pitch. His words hinted at frustration with the structure above him and a lack of alignment on how the club should move forward. That press conference instantly went viral. Fans were split between those who admired his honesty and those who felt he had crossed a line by publicly airing internal issues. Within days, the club hierarchy made their decision. Manchester United confirmed his dismissal shortly after, thanking him for his efforts, but making it clear that a change was needed to protect the club's long-term ambitions. An interim manager has now been appointed from within the club, someone who understands the culture and expectations of Manchester United. His task will be simple but daunting. Stabilize the dressing room, steady results, and restore belief while the club searches for a permanent solution. Fan reaction has been intense. Some supporters believe the manager was not given enough time or backing to fully implement his vision. Others argue that Manchester United cannot afford another season of inconsistency and needed decisive action. What cannot be ignored is the bigger picture. This is yet another managerial change in the post-Ferguson era. A cycle of hope, struggle, and reset that continues to define modern Manchester United. The question now is not just who comes next, but whether the club has finally learned from past mistakes. Stability, clarity, and patience are words fans have heard before. Whether they will see them this time remains uncertain. One thing is clear. The pressure at Old Trafford never sleeps, and the next manager will walk into one of the most demanding jobs in world football. Now, we want to hear from you. Did Manchester United make the right call by sacking their manager? Or was he never given a fair chance to succeed? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like the video if this breakdown helped you understand what really happened. Subscribe for more football stories, analysis, and breaking updates. This story is far from over, and we will be following every move United make next.